hello little dragon. Hey everyone, it's Kat and Happy New Year! Figures I'd be testing out an under eye concealer on New Year's Day because I probably didn't get any sleep last night. And you're right, I didn't. But I have discovered a beauty company called Undone Beauty that offers luxury products for minimal prices. Are you interested? I wanted to try out their concealer, which is super cool. It's called the Conceal to Reveal Palette, and it has 3 consistencies of concealer. You have sheer, medium, and matte, and I can't wait to test them out today. But before we get started, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Remember, I upload every Sunday and Wednesday, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you know when I upload. Okay, so Undone Beauty. I love the philosophy behind it. It was created to offer luxury quality products that do more for less. I've heard that they've been compared to Glossier. They offer a range of products, everything from foundation, concealer, lip products, but I wanted to test this bad boy out because it had me intrigued. So we're gonna go right in and test it out. Let's go. Okay, foundation is on. I'm ready to dive into the Undone Beauty Conceal to Reveal Palette. What was fascinating about this particular product, it has 3 different consistencies, and I'm going to show you right here. If I can open it up. Okay, hoping the camera can catch this, but the top layer is the sheer, the second layer is medium, and the third layer is opaque. Now, what's super cool about this formula is that it's unique 3-in-1 formulation for customizable concealing from sheer to opaque coverage. The sheer formula is dewy coverage for all over and highlighting. Number 2 is medium formula, full coverage for under eye circles, that's me, and all over coverage. And 3 is opaque for total coverage concealer for blemishes and tattoos. I have a tattoo. It has a natural coconut extract for dewy glow. Love it, or it's free. So I think for under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the medium coverage and we're just gonna dive right in. So let's feel the consistency first. I wanna see how it feels. Oh, holy smokes. Oh my God, I just swiped it twice and look how, oh my God, I'm gonna try it again. It feels so creamy and buttery. It doesn't smell. But I'm going to go ahead and dab a little bit on my under eyes, right through here. I'm going to grab a little bit more. This is the weirdest consistency. Usually with a concealer, you go in with a doe foot. I am game to try this out. And I'm just going to tap it in gently. It feels so weird, like creamy, but at the same time kind of waxy. I can't describe it. Definitely brightening up my eyes. Holy mackerel, look at that. I look like a raccoon. I'm going to take my beauty blender, which is dampened, and just tap it in. So far, it is blending out beautifully. Wow. Gorgeous. And now I think what I'm going to try is the sheer formula up here. I'm going to try the sheer formula and go where I normally would just put a little bit of concealer, not too much, and just kind of blend it out. Take my sponge, tap it out, just for that brightening effect. Gorgeous. Okay, now I typically get red under my nose, probably because it's winter time and, you know, your nose can tend to run. Living in Tennessee, there's a lot of allergies, especially in the wintertime. It's crazy. But I'm just gonna put a little bit around my nose and then tap it out. Blend. Oh, that looks great. And I love to take this Flower Beauty concealer brush and just go by my nose. So you know you get those little crevasses right through there. It is blending out gorgeous. I'm still freaked out about the consistency. I mean, it is so cool. I'm impressed. Oh my goodness. I just hope it doesn't cake or crease. Let's check out the specs on this, shall we? Don't feel like wearing a full face of makeup today, but still want to look refreshed? We love using full coverage for under eye darkness and blemishes while swiping medium coverage around red areas, nose folds for example, to even out skin tone before popping out the door. This creamy formula leaves a natural dewy finish and allows for coverage that stays put all day. And don't worry, we are definitely going to put it to the test today. The concealer blends with your skin rather than sitting on top for a seamless skin-like finish, infused with natural coconut extract for hydration and added glow. Yes, that's why I love this, because it is very hydrating. But what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set it and forget it, because that's how we roll. I'm gonna use my RCMA colorless powder. This, look at that under through there. Oh my God. I am loving this. Oh my God, this is so exciting. Who knew? Undone? I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, final look everyone. What do you think? Now for eyes, I just went in with Tarte's Glam on the Glow eyeshadow palette, which I actually won from Riri on her channel in a giveaway. This is a gorgeous neutral palette, and you know I'm a neutrals girl, so I just went in with a very simple look. Now for cheeks, I went in with CYO's Crush on Blush, and of course I finished it off with the NABLA Skin Glaze. But yeah, oh, and for lips, I went in with Catrice's Volumizing Lip Booster. I just wanted a nice natural lip with a hint of pink. But yes, what do you think of the Undone Conceal to Reveal Palette Concealer? I think it's beautiful. I mean, it is really smooth, very hydrating. And remember, the 3 consistencies, I did use the medium consistency to go under my eye. And the sheerest one, I went between my eyebrows. Now, if you have acne or blemishes, really dark spots, you can use the opaque one, certainly. And I did test it out on my tattoo to see if it would cover it up, because that's what it claimed, if it covers up tattoos. And let's see how it worked. They say the consistency of the matte formula is going to cover up a tattoo. So I'm going to test it out. Let's go for it. Hello, little dragon. Oh my God. Oh my Lanta. Are you seeing this? Holy schnizzles. Oh my God. It is covering up my tattoo. Like, for real. It's a bit splotchy, but you know what? This is not bad. Imagine what it would be like if you had acne or blemishes on your face, but this is redonkadonk. Hello? This might be ideal if you need to cover up tattoos. Just saying. Impressive. Wow. And I barely put any on there. I'm proud of my tats. Wow. Look at that. That's fantastic. Not bad for opaque. What do you think? And we're going to do an all-day wear test and see if this lasts. I hope it does, because I am in love with it. I think it's beautiful. I think it's brightening. It's very moisturizing. And with the skin-loving ingredients, I'm super happy with it so far. And I'm back. It's been a long day. It's almost 6 p.m. here in Tennessee, and it's been almost 8 hours since I first applied the Undone Beauty Conceal to Reveal Concealer Palette. Now, this does come in 8 shades, and it retails for $10. Super affordable, but the verdict is in. Now, I'm not gonna lie, if you're gonna look super close up through here, there is some settling in my fine lines through here. And there was a little bit of transfer from me wearing my glasses, but it held up beautifully all day long. Super comfortable, super hydrating, and I love the philosophy behind Undone Beauty. It's undo, unrelatable, ultra wearable formulas designed to make it easy with less, and they use unretouched models on their website. How amazing is that? Undo, unaffordable, luxury quality products and handmade tools starting at $7. Totally affordable. Undo, untrusted, natural benefits and cruelty-free. Formulated with effective natural ingredients for your skin and lashes. Of course, vegan friendly, and cruelty free. I'm super excited to test out their tinted moisturizer. It's called the Unfoundation Glow Tint, and that's going to be an upcoming video. I can't wait to test that out with you. But yeah, guys, have you ever even heard of Undone Beauty? Now, if it's luxury products for an affordable price, that is right up my alley. I'm super excited to bring you more videos on skincare products as well as more makeup. It's going to be a great new year. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. Happy New Year. 2020 is going to be awesome. In case you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would love it if you could join my family. And don't forget to click on my little head to subscribe. And if you're interested, check out these videos over here. So mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.